In this video segment, I'll cover stairs for decks and wraparound stairs with open risers and closed risers for the condition you might use for concrete steps. In this sample pool house structure, I want to generate a set of stairs that will go from the terrain up to the deck. When I created the terrain, I defined the subfloor to be 30 inches above the terrain. You can check this by double-clicking the terrain. On the general panel, I've set my subfloor height to be 30 inches above the terrain. In placing your stairs, it's easy to do that in the floor plan view. I'm going to move over into the floor plan view. I'm going to grab the stair tool, and I'm going to grab the draw stair tool, and I'm just going to click near the edge of the deck. The default stair that I'm using for this plan is placed with open risers and a couple of stringers on either side. To resize the stairs, I'll pull it to either end of the deck. Then, to create a set of wraparound stairs, using the same stair tool, I'll click very near the edge of the deck, and when you place these stairs near the edge, they will then join and miter to wrap around. Let me go ahead and click on these stairs. I'm going to pull them just past the edge of the wall. I'll repeat this process on the other side. This time I'll click a little closer to the structure. Then I'll go ahead and click and drag these out to the corner. When they approach the other stairs, they will automatically join and form a miter for you. For situations where you don't want the stairs to wrap, there is an option in the stairs. I'm going to hold my Shift key down and I'm going to select all three stair segments. Open them up. On the Style panel toward the bottom is the option to allow automatic wrap. This will turn off the feature where the stairs will automatically join and miter for your wrap. Let me press undo one time. With the stairs still selected, let's go back in and look at how to create something that would be more like a concrete stair that is covered and not open. You can turn off the open risers. You can then see that it becomes a solid stair. Then in the 3D view, if you're trying to make these a concrete stair, I'm going to grab material eyedropper. I'm going to pick up the material off of the foundation, and then I'm just going to click to apply that onto the stair. If you go into the room mode, you can then apply that to the entire segment of stairs, as well as the top portion of the stairs to form a concrete stair. Railings on stairs can be automatic. In this case, I don't need a railing with just a couple of stairs. If I double click on this stair on the railing panel, I can turn on a railing on the right side of these stairs and generate the railing for these exterior stairs. For exterior decks with railings, the process works in a very similar way. Using the Draw Stair tool in 3D, I'm going to come down, I'm going to click very near the outside of the railing, and the stairs will place from the terrain up to the deck platform. I'll press the space bar to get out of the stair placement mode. These stairs can be resized by clicking on the edge, resizing them. It will also resize the opening that is created along with the stairs. Might be a little easier to see this in 2D. I'm going to press Shift F6 to tile my screen. In the 2D plan view, I'll click near the opening. I may need to press the Tab key. You can see that I actually have the opening. I can resize this to be smaller than the stairs, or I can resize it to be larger than the stairs. This can be independent. If you are resizing the stairs, typically it will resize the opening along with your stairs. That wraps up this video on deck stairs and wraparound stairs. For more information, please see the built-in help file as well as our other videos. Thanks for watching.